guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. I have a scoop. Where do we all want to be? On the beach. I have 2 last units for sale in this amazing building on the beach for a super amazing price. Come and have a look. This building is almost sold out. Even the new phase with pre-construction units has all been sold. So these 2 units are the last ones to get. Don't wait any longer and get yours before they're gone. You know what to do. Give us a like, subscribe, click on the link here below for more information, and don't forget to share with your friends. Bye.